Let's unbox the Beats Solo 4, the go-to headphone for music lovers on the go. Starting with the box itself, our packaging is 100% fiber-based with zero plastics. Inside the box, you'll find your ultralight, ultra-comfortable Beats Solo 4 on-ear headphones, the newly designed woven carrying case, USB-C and 3.5mm cables, and a digital quick start guide. You can also get Apple Care Plus to protect your new Beats. Scan the QR code here for the complete product guide. Ready to pair? Hold down the power button with the headphones near your Apple or Android device. After pairing, your Beats will instantly work with any other iOS or Android devices you're signed into. You can also use Find My or Find My device. Plus, for Apple users, there's audio sharing and Hey Siri. Ready to listen? First, make sure you've got the correct left-right orientation. You can control your music, calls, and voice assistant right from the left ear cup. A single quick press of the power button shows how much battery you have left. You can enjoy up to 50 hours of playback on one full charge. Plus, with fast fuel, you can get 5 hours of battery life after just 10 minutes of charging. The USB-C and 3.5mm audio cables also support lossless audio for the ultimate in high-fidelity sound reproduction. Beats Solo 4 also has some nice design refinements, like brushed metal hinges and ultra-plush ear cushions for extra comfort and durability. But first and foremost, they're designed to deliver incredible sound.